So when putting a deck reducer on and off the Grizzly, you want to make sure both the Grizzly and the tractor are on the same level. You want to make sure that the burden pile is down below the front wall. You want to approach the get at the bucket hook with the cutting edge, just like I'm showing you here. Approximate center. Drive forward. You want to make sure both the Grizzly and the tractor are on level ground. Drive it, lift it up out of its nest. Bucket is approximately set at a 45 degrees, same angle as the deck. Just like that. Curl it forward to get up underneath those bucket hooks. Don't worry about hitting it hard. First move you're going to do is, once you feel like you're up underneath it, you're going to put the tractor into reverse. And then boom up. When it's in reverse, now we'll go around and show you how to take the bottom up off the deck and then curl it off the top. That's how you're going to do it. You're going to curl it off the top. And then same thing. Curl it back down. And then you want to back out. And let it fall. Just like that. So again, you drive up, you get up underneath the bucket hooks. You raise up underneath, when you feel like you're up underneath the bucket hooks, first thing you do is put it in reverse. So back out just a little bit, then you boom up to get it up above the bottom of the deck bars, up nice and high, and then you curl it off the top. Then you curl it back down, and then you're gonna curl it back down and back out and let it slam. And the reason is it has centering tabs to center this deck reducer up. Just like that.